So anyways, welcome back to another video. On this one, today's tech tip is to use any anti-seize lubricant compound with any and all of the similar metals that you have in your car. Anyways guys, welcome back to another video. On this one, I'm starting by just putting some parts on this block. And then we're gonna move on to some of the engine bay on the 87 and hopefully picking up my transmission in this video. I have applied a not so liberal amount of anti-seize on these threads, as you can see right here. Oh, you can't see that. Anyways, like right there. Just enough to give the threads a slight coat. Don't go crazy on this anti-seize stuff. And just hand tighten these puppies. Right. As I said on my last video, you gotta make sure that you properly torque these to the appropriate 300 foot-pounds that your driver can do. There we are. Ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna repeat the same activity on this side and put down that bolt. Yeah. Once again, torque to spec. One more just for pressure. All in. Anyways, all jokes aside, in reality what I'm doing here is just trying to attach, well damn it, never mind. This arm is hanging too low. So what I wanted to do was attach this and see if I needed shins, but that ain't gonna happen today. So anyway, we're going to remove this thing. Oh. Let's break them loose. Nope. No can do. And all right. So anyway, as some of you are aware, I'm not a fan of this exhaust system in particular. So I'm gonna put the single shot of the 87 on this one. And pretty much I'm gonna take this out and clean the other one. Because the other one's got a bunch of miles on it, so it's actually pretty filthy. Really? Oh, come on. Yay. I got it. Okay, so that's out. There you go. Let me see. Oh, shit. Oh, god dang it. Really? Check that out. This is the kind of look I have. So that's just water and ugh. So this is something that you want to keep in mind with these cars. You need to have drains on the exhaust. And obviously, these aftermarket exhausts don't have them. The muffler does have the holes, but apparently most of the condensation is happening at the pipe. Part of the reason why I'm showing you this stuff, guys, is because this is more or less how I do everything, kind of on the ground. And it kind of goes to show that you can achieve some of these things on your own. You don't have to pay big bucks to get some of this stuff done. I mean, the big bucks are already spent on the parts, but a lot of the times you can get away without having to pay someone to do some of these things, and you can do them on your own. So the pipe is sliding out. It's just kind of not wanting to cooperate very much. Whew. God damn. This is a nightmare. I wonder if I can undo that one, and this is the muffler that folds out. Oh. Looks like it will.
That floor is cold. Woo! And all this condensation, not cool. Well, I guess I'm not that fat. Still fit under the car. Ow, ow. Hey. Or I could just undo this. And that's it, and let it hang. That'll be too easy, right? Let me just let it hang from here. Like so. Okay. Good enough for now. God dang. It's a lot of work. Now this pipe comes out the back. Trying not to scratch my floor. Let me go catch it on the other side. Light that up better. Oh yeah. Easy peasy. Where's that? My channel says easy peasy, lemon squeezy.